In this video, I will be talking about this question. How do beginners start social media marketing? Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be alerted straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Let's get started. If you would like me to create any videos for you on any topics, leave a comment under the video. The ultimate objective of any content marketing strategy is to inform, educate, and entertain audiences through content that inspires action. Social media marketing is no different. However, for some beginners, it can seem a bit daunting, as it's easy to get lost in the sea of the latest social media trends and techniques. You don't need to worry though. If you're new to social media marketing, I am going to give you some practical advice to help you craft a social media strategy from scratch. So, here are some strategies to help you get started with social media marketing. Number 1. Understand your audience. A successful social media marketing strategy is one that puts the audience at its core. So, before you start thinking about your content formats and whatnot, make sure you understand the people you'll be creating content for. Here are some questions to ask about your audience. Who are they? What do they care about? Which social media platforms do they frequent? Understanding your audience is the key to creating relevant content that resonates with them. However, making blind assumptions about your audience isn't going to cut it. Start by analysing your existing social media audience to understand their demographics, interests, and preferences. You can check out the analytics section of your Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube accounts, or use tools like Sprout Social that consolidates the data from all of your accounts. If you have an existing customer base, take a close look at the people who are already buying from you to gain a better understanding of who they are. This in turn will help hone in on the right audiences on social media. Based on the data you gather, you will have the information needed to create your audience and buyer personas, which is a comprehensive representation of your key audience segments. Once you know your audiences well, you'll be in a better position to craft a social media strategy that's tailored to their needs. Number 2, define SMART goals. The next step in your social media marketing strategy should be to define your goals. If you lack a clear vision of what you want to accomplish, you are likely to end up wasting money and resources. Your goals will also help you define your success metrics so you can calculate your return on investment. Some of the most common social media marketing goals include increasing brand awareness, generating leads, increasing followers and engagement, or website traffic. It's best to pick just one or two as to avoid losing focus and keeping things more simple. The key concept to remember when defining your goals is to make sure that they are specific, measurable, relevant, attainable, and time-bound. SMART goals can guide you towards better results from your social media marketing plan. Let me give you an example of a goal that you could set. We will use Facebook to increase brand awareness and grow our page followers and post likes by 20% in the next 90 days. You should try and go for that level of clarity when coming up with your social media goals. Number 3, find out what your metrics are. Once you have decided on your social goals, you will need to figure out your success metrics. Let me now tell you about some of the most common social media marketing metrics which you can look out for. The engagement rate. This is the total number of reactions or likes, comments and shares divided by the total impressions for a post. Clicks. The number of clicks to a particular post or content. The post reach. The total number of people who have seen your post. The sentiment. The type of sentiment, positive or negative, that your audiences feel when they see or interact in some way with your content. When you find out what your metrics are for your social media measurement, you need to make sure that they align closely with your goals. For example, if you have a goal to gain more brand awareness, you must focus on measuring reach through impressions and shares. Number 4, choose the right social media channels for your business or brand. Did you know that around 73% of adults in the USA with a college degree use Facebook? or that top sites used by teenagers are YouTube with 85%, Snapchat at 69%, and Instagram at 72%. Data such as these, coupled with your audience personas, should give you help with your choice of social media channels or platforms when it comes to promoting your business or your brand. You need to select the platforms where you're most likely to find your ideal target audience. Here is an example. Music.ly used Facebook Analytics to learn that there was a huge potential for them to engage users aged 25 years and above. Based on this knowledge, they redesigned their interface to appeal to older users and recorded a 130% increase in users belonging to this age group. Once you have found the channels you want to focus on, create your company profiles on them or improve any existing ones that you have. Make sure that they contain up-to-date information about your brand or your business and have relevant SEO keywords and consistent branding across all platforms. Number 5, plan out the right content mix. The next step is to create the content to be posted on the channels you are going to use. You can do an analysis of the social media accounts of your competitors within your niche, which can be a good starting point here. While having originality and uniqueness are extremely important in social media marketing, a little inspiration and content ideas, insights from others can help you get some direction. If you're unsure of what to post, the rule of 80-20 can help. This means that about 80% of the content you post should be focused on informing, entertaining, and educating your audience in some way, and 20% should be focused mainly on promoting your brand or your business. You can also take a clue from the latest social media trends, such as leveraging stories as a content format, posting purpose-driven content, or focusing on inclusivity. The next thing to do, if you want to know how to start and run an online business, then go and click the link in the description box under the video now and go to our partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. I recommend you have a look at the online training courses available. They have courses to suit all needs and experience levels. It is a fantastic resource which is going to help you develop your digital skills and advance your marketing career and provide you with the training and the knowledge you'll need to launch a successful business from start to finish and put you ahead of the competition. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Please remember to connect on Facebook. You can find the Facebook page link in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.